Hey, welcome back to Postal Barbecue. I'm Jabin Postal, and today at the grill we're doing a review of the Kettlepizza Pizza Oven. And just like always, I'm going to put all the show notes for you in the description box below, so make sure to click down there to see everything that you need for this video. Also, if you like what we're doing on this channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button for more great barbecue recipes, tutorials, and reviews. And other than that, let's get into the review. So when I'm not craving barbecue, I'm thinking about pizza. It's my common late night snack and go-to comfort food. I love it, which is why I'm really excited to unbox and set up this Kettlepizza accessory for my kettle grill. If you've never heard of the Kettlepizza before, what it is an attachment that goes onto your existing kettle-style grill, allowing you to cook pizza on your grill within minutes, cooking at temperatures of 700 degrees plus, giving you incredible pizza every time. I can hardly wait, so let's open up the box, get it set up, and take a look. My first impressions is that it's made very well. The ring is made out of stainless steel and is designed with longevity in mind. You can see on the side there's handles that are attached, which helps with both placing the Kettlepizza onto the kettle as well as removing it if needed when it's hot. This deluxe version comes with a 15-inch quarterite pizza stone, which has been designed to withstand extremely high heat, again, just to add to that durability and longevity of the Kettlepizza. The deluxe version also comes with a stainless steel cooking tray as well as a wooden pizza peel. So why would you get a pizza oven like this? You know, it really just essentially comes down to the temperature that you can cook at. This Kettlepizza can get to temperatures above 700 degrees, which means you can cook pizza within minutes, having that nice wood-fired flavor every single time. All right, so I'm really excited to get going. So I'm gonna get the Kettlepizza set up, give it a try, and let you know what I think. All right, so this pizza came out awesome. It cooked in about 6 minutes and it was running around 700 degrees according to the thermometer on the side. It's got a nice crisp bottom and I can't wait to give it a taste. Here we go. The flavor of this pizza tastes like it just came out of an Italian pizza oven. You can taste that wood fire. The flavor is really great, especially for the first run, and I can't wait to make more of these types of pizzas on the kettle grill. I'm gonna put all the show notes as well as all the details for the Kettlepizza down in the description box below, so make sure to click down there to see everything that you need as well as links to where you can pick it up so you can start making this incredible wood-fired pizza at home for yourself. So there you have it, delicious wood-fired pizza that only takes a few minutes and tastes amazing. Hey, if you like what we're doing on this channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button as well as that notification bell for more great barbecue recipes, tutorials, and reviews. And other than that, we'll see you next time.